This is Emhape Tech with new video. Your gaming desktop doesn't need to be chunky. Zotac's debut gaming tower, the Mek1, is a slick, thin rig, armed with an Nvidia GTX 1070Ti and a slew of surprisingly good peripherals. It's not as easy to upgrade as larger PCs, though it is possible, but it can match many of them in graphics muscle and won't take up nearly as much room. The Mek1 is sleek, there's no other way to put it. Despite being all black and plastic, it stands out because of its angular profile and the fact that it's just so darn thin. The 16.5 by 16.3 by 4.7 inch PC should fit on any desk because it doesn't take up all that much room. Zotac includes stands in the box to keep the Mek1 upright, but you can also lay it down and use it horizontally if you prefer. With an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1070Ti inside, the Mek1 is more than powerful enough to play the latest games at 1080p, or perhaps even a bit higher. On the Hitman benchmark, very high, 1080p, the Mek1 reached 94 FPS, which is high for gaming desktops, 90 FPS, but below the infinite, 123 FPS, GTX 1080. It was also the only game we tested that was playable in 4K, running at 51.9 FPS at that resolution. The Mek1's Intel Core i7-7700 CPU, with 16GB of RAM, a 240GB SSD and 1TB HDD, make for a solid workhorse. I had 30 tabs open in Chrome, including one with a 1080p stream of Fortnite on Twitch, without any issues at all. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.